what your luggage is. Hold the handrail.
Your attention, please. Please do not smoke in the terminal building. Smoking is only permitted in the specified smoking areas.
Please do not leave your belongings and luggage.
Chimera ndikudzishaya nditori celebrity. Ndokusakutenza malaini ane.
Akakuwana wanipanda.
Mari mdara. Mukadzi wenyu? Mdara mukadzi wenyu ere.
Just move.
Thanks.
Boy. Chimdara sina kana mazino ichi. Wakomana nyi.
Mdara.
Zimbono.
Kontiwe mdara.
Yeah. Ulisizwa ko?
Bo mdara. Naso chatochinja pekugara ka mdara.
Kozaita si.
Mdara naso unomamba nemaselfie mdara. Kambe language yakitozika mdara. Unomama chete.
Language yakutara jaru mbono.
So okay guys, this is what we are going to do. I'm going to give each and every one of you so that you can fill in. If you don't understand anything, please, you are free to ask, okay? There you go.
Narako. Narako. Kozo pacaran kradin.
Sadiko nama.
Chance panenenyu. Rangu ndora eta sei. Zvaga ngufanana wani.
Ngaiti daungona kuti.
Okay, so this is what we are going to do. I want you guys to fill in your name, place of birth, sex, and destination. If you don't understand, remember to ask me again, okay?
Hello, Sisi.
Yes.
Panzi press apa. Vari kureva kuti Murko mandakazvarirwa.
No, kunzvimbo yamakazvarirwa.
Maiva mudhunduru pati pamba nehuswa.
Okay, but nzvimbo yacho yamakazvarirwa inonzi chii? Ndo yamuri kufanira kunyora papo.
Yama muri munyasimeriko. Sabhuku anodiwa.
Sabhuku adiwe. Just place yamukazvarirwa, then that's it.
Kugokwe.
Yes.
Alright.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ndadoresva. Ndandanyora kuti pambedha.
Kana mamanyora pambedha, you can change. Yes, you can just change, but please make sure you write a place of bed.
Ndadopedza.
Oh, okay, that was so quick. You're a genius. Thank you. Baba imi, apa mare yeshop. Muri kuona apa pandiri kutaura kuti sex handisi kureva ka 1 pavhiki. Ndiri kutaura sex as in male or female.
Avadzurira ifemale.
Ora kana trega ndingokuitirai kuti zviite easy.
Everything right. Boys in my takwa. Atina kutakwa. Yeah, tiriso. Waduwe watakwa. Atina kutakwa. Yeah, tiriso. Boys in my takwa. Atina kutakwa. Yeah, tiriso. Waduwe watakwa. Atina kutakwa. Yeah, tiriso. Atina kutakwa. Yeah, tiriso. Atina kutakwa. Kungetifa tike toma zedu Doro hobo makeni Mayon ken endarperi Dangerous barazi Your young man never nice But it is nice
I want to go to the toilet. I want to go to the toilet. I want to go to the toilet. What? Tati tukuna kwenda kuno mama.
Who is there for you during difficult times? Who takes care of you while you take care of your family? At Chingetta Diaspora, we understand you. We know how hard you work to support your family and the challenges you face when you cannot access financial services. We are here for you and we will make your life easier. When you lose a loved one, Chingetta is there for you. Chingetta offers you a variety of benefits which cover health, legal, and funeral cover, which are usually inaccessible. We provide financial services that give you easy ways to transact. We want to walk through life with you and your family, partnering with you and helping you to carry your load. We give you peace of mind. We value you. Chingetta Diaspora gives you access, convenience, and affordability. For more information, visit www.chingettadiaspora.com. Chingetta Diaspora is an authorized financial services provider. T's and C's apply.
Ko budi mimi makangonyarara munomboita nezveiko imi?
Indoshanda kuZitso sister.
Zitso. Zitso ndeipi iyoyo?
It's a Zimbabwe top secret underground.
Inomboita nezveiyoyo?
Indiri gweja sister.
Ndoshanda
move underground. Yarara dahwa.
Hey, my queen, ukunzwe.
Huh?
That ukunzwe.
Manyoka.
Tobira music ya ukunzwa.
Kwewa wizivere song echechi. Webepa, mirapo wega. Hai nikasonga nontitiraka. Ha?
Maslay kwininga. Inonzi waymaker, miracle taker.
Yeso nemiwo. Inonzi miracle waker.
Miracle breaker.
Pane chinombo zikanwa here paBhaibheri pamene chikonyepera vanhu kunzo.
Chakazoendera kuchikoro ichi.
Nekuneta kwamunondita kumba ikoko.
Isusu tinoponesa vanhu neshoko raMwari. Hallelujah vanhu vaMwari. Provoke 12. Something. Mukadzi akanaka anobva kuna Mwari. Asapa pandakasungirirwa apa. Ndo inonzi midzimu yandirasa. Ndiri mutsotso namaikudzisa. Mudzimu uri patauta mudzimu. Zvakaoma.
Amen baba riyeni. Amen. Kuyamkaripata.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Mr. Dongo, I am so excited to be here with you. I'm so proud of you. I love your energy. I just said to Munya,
thank you to BNC Academy. I joined BNC Academy in June 2021, and now we are in August, and I want to share tremendous change which BNC Academy has helped me in my business.
Hey, this is Marshall, and I just want to say thank you to Mr. Domo for helping me to connect with this right content creator and myself. My products online and I'm based in South Africa. I just hustle to get payments.
My platform forever. 10 days ago, he said to me, Charlotte, this is what you want to do. Let me help you. It's what I do. I've done it for myself. I can do it for you. Let me help you.
I am grateful for Munyarazi, Mr. Dongo as you know him, for his help. I hired him to help me with automation, to get my content out there to all my ideal customers, and he was able to help me with that. So
So Achimwene, tell me something. Achimwene, tell me something. What were you doing in Malawi?
I'm from Malawi.
Yes, what were you doing this holiday?
I was lighting my book. Yeah, I like the book. Achimwene, writing the book. Writing the book. Not la la la. Stop booking. Okay.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, me, I'm from Malawi. I can do anything anytime. There's nothing woman in my life. You are lucky. You are lucky man.
Hey, my friend, can you say round the ragged rock, the wrecked the rascal rat?
I'm talking to you. Sorry?
I'm talking to you, round the ragged rock, the wrecked the rascal rat. Simple.
I simple, baby. It's simple, baby. It's round
the ragged rock.
I mean,
the wrecked the rascal rat. Round the rugby rock. Round the rugby rascal. Stop listening, I'm talking now. What do you mean? Round the rugby sport. Is it a problem?
But you're about to know it.
Thanks.
Kuja kukumbika sha.
Koko lito kongo chite. So wakabata something.
Hey, nakabata something.
Wakabate.
Why do you know that I'm wakabata flu?
Yes. Kana wakabata flu wakadi kenda kwa doctor.
Ya, ina maka.
Kuwaita si.
Awatomboita. Wakamuresa bamukuru wangu ka.
Mimi.
Bamukuru wangu chakuita mdumbu. Weza. Bamukuru wangu wadora hapo. Weza. Tupoma prison mdumbu wadora right. Bakuzuka watu ukesha. Moto. Bang. Hakuna mdumbu.
Sasa ndio kama ndio baba.
Moto hiyo driver wao.
Mazuwa edu ataenda kuno market aka. Nedzoka tine hupfu, mafuta, sugar. But zvezvi mahwana.
Unoona ka problem iri kuitika ndekuti mazano kwangozara ma CCTV baba kwese.
Wangu iwe.
Achakwanisa kubva baba.
Nzara yapinda mucha mahwana.
Munanobiwa ndokutaurira.
Manje tenda kubaita sei baba pakaipa.
Ndidozivi nemakamera waya baba mimi utozvikwanisa sei.
Zvine basa reinga.
Have you heard of Chingetta Diaspora, a mobile wallet that allows you to do all the services and more? Imagine yako yeziya. Ma account ari kufrizwa apa musara kunyebedzera kuzungera imi munozviziya account iri kufrizwa mai mwana. Hati wamwe isusu. Izvo zvikumbire munhu kwete ndokumbira kuti salary yangu ipinde mu account mako. Salary yani ipinde mu account mani. Vedwe. You know where the danger is. You know where the danger is. You know where the danger is.
Zvine basa reinga.
Mati mukuda kurayani.
We need to keep 14,000 people. There's money from is 10,000 US for fucking don't pay 14.
Like seriously, why a donkey?
You a donkey. You see? I told you. People they don't care about people. They care about a donkey. You're busy wearing dresses. Yeah.
My brother, there's money. I've been promised money.
I told you leave donkey.
Fuck you.
Donkey.
Fuck you.
So what took a voter license? Then mbokuvunza mvunze kuti utoona tokatora license. Saka yototi uri kudrive mota yako anditi. Pamberi pako papura chende. Inenge kamwana. What do you hit first?
Kachembera yes.
Wakapusa. You hit the brake.
Okay guys, I think we're all tired. Maybe someone can just stand up and crack a joke so that we can cheer up a bit.
Ini nangu.
Okay.
Guys, munazachi. Kutiri kumshaka rimwe kugweru. Tata agara pasi pemuti. Papa madhongi tu achimangisa nzika. Madhongi achimangisa daso rimwe rovhara dona. Hani mazoni. Rovhara tomuka rovhara enda. Muri kuona nyacho.
Okay, you can go.
This one I mean is from Malawi. Yeah, there pa. And that's what we have got. I'm not there pa. I'm sorry. Wait. There I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. You know what I want? This one was the one. There I'm sorry. I got job. I job pa. There I'm sorry. and then anazapizoti azungulira kukura kuja then wazapizoti apizoti atwaja apizoti kumuzakani then ndizapizoti fada ndanazakometsaze Zimbabwe
Waiting room, row number 1, scene 1, set.
Well, my name is Mnyazi Dongo, aka Mr. M Dongo. I'm an entrepreneurship trainer, business coach, and Mr. Automator. So I help entrepreneurs to start, restructure, and grow their businesses online. We were also part of the sponsors. We saw that this project really needs to go out there, and everybody who is out there must actually watch it and laugh together with us as well. So we were part of the sponsors and to support as well my wife. Oh my goodness, I had a lot of laughter and I cannot wait to actually see the main and finished product, and having to connect with some of the very big names that we always see either on social media, on TVs and stuff. That was a very big experience for me. It was amazing.
All right.
3, 2, 1, action.
You hit the brakes. Yeah.
Action.
Anditi obvious takutonga pachete. Zibenzi, you hit the hit.
Yeah, I am Baba Tensen, known as Kuripka Kugara. Today's project at the waiting room was so fantastic, so hilarious. We met so many people with so many talents. Hey, this one was a hit. I never been in such kind of a project ever before, but I thank the guy, the only producer of this project, Dumarts Films, Dumisani Mafanise, and in fact, Chingetta Diaspora, who made this thing work for the building and everything, sponsorship of everything, food, you know, food, transport, everything. I'm so happy. This brand is just not for us only, but for everyone. It brings everyone together to make it one thing. So that's it for me today.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Don't forget kuti TK alongside
behind the
chero chimubura mtano
makachena mda
country muridzi airlines kai ndosadza kuchena se muridzi airlines
Dumarts own
my own airlines.
Why are they not saying?
You won't do it. Oh, there's no.
But actually,
Yeah, my name is Leon Blessing Machando, known as DocMac, DOCMAC, on all social media platforms. I am an award-winning actor here in the Republic of South Africa, Mzansi for sure. Yeah, we had a good experience from morning till now. I don't know what the time now, but everything was fine. Expect fireworks, expect the bomb. Yeah, we want to thank Chingetta Diaspora Financial Services for everything. This is what I did. Then Dumarts film, everything was on point and doing it. Yeah, I had some funny, meeting new faces, new actors. musicians, so we had fun. It was fun.
Hi, my name is Rumbi, and I was playing the Slay Queen today. Well, I had a great experience. It was so good meeting different people, and I had the best of time trying to play the Slay Queen that I'm not.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Sorry. No, thank you.
Yeah, my name is Darlington Mofela Tanganyika. I'm more into music. If you go on YouTube, you can actually get me. But I'm very, very happy to be invited by you, Mr. Dumarts. It's been long. My passion is into acting and drama. So this was so good and amazing. You know, we always work with sponsors. Our sponsor, Chingetta, is one of the best. The services are very quick, and the charges are very, 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 what can I say, affordable. So please, go to Facebook. I don't know if they've got Twitter or Instagram. Please, hook up with them. Their services are perfect and good. They really took care of us today.
The lift just left us. Chatong number 0.
Dabuz, I told you this guy's gonna.
Run to my camera.
My name is Abigail Mugari, aka Abi the Cloud Chaser. The experience was amazing. I met new people, new faces, musicians, actors and actresses, yeah.
She never said